सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and blessings. Hope all of you are able to see me. So, it's so nice to be with you all now, virtually. You see, with ordinary people, virtual means physical absence, virtual presence. With us, it is presence and presence and presence, that's all. I am there with you all. No time or space can bind. I'll just have a few words with you all. The real freedom is not just having freedom from the country's law. It is freedom from the cosmic law. Please understand, whenever you study any law, you will have understanding about the gray areas of that law. So you become powerful to the extent of the gray area. If it is a social law, if you study thoroughly and master it, you become the leader, social leader. If it is a country law, you study thoroughly and master it, and you know the method, how it works, and naturally you can manipulate, and you become the leader of the country. And if you study the cosmic law and know all the gray areas and understand it thoroughly, become master of it, you become the leader of the cosmos. So anything you want to become, in any field you want to become leader, master, study that law, understand that whole science and master it. I tell you, if you have just a social freedom, it will be good for you. If you have just the political freedom, it will be good for you and the people who are around you. But if you have the cosmic freedom, it's good for you and to the whole world. Only cosmic freedom gives you the intense energy to serve the whole world. Understand? Social freedom gives you the energy to save yourself. Country freedom gives you the energy to serve that country. Cosmic freedom gives you to serve the whole world. Serving is the highest creativity expressing in the human form. Highest creativity, when it expresses itself in the human form, it is service. So, I sincerely request all of you to work to achieve the cosmic freedom. Every day, understand one cosmic truth. Truth about life, truth about death, the truth about breathing, truth about mind, truth about emotions, truth about the different cosmic entities, the Maya, the individual soul, the God, different cosmic entities. So go on understanding the cosmic law, you will see really that you became the cosmic leader. The extraordinary experience of the cosmos will start happening to you. Not only that, when you understand any law and able to work with it, that law also will start favoring you. You will have a deep gratitude to that law. I tell you, now we understood the Singapore law and we work with it. Now Singapore law is favoring us, and my heartfelt gratitude to Singapore devotees and to the Singapore country for reviving our Life Bliss Foundation in a beautiful way and in a new way. So my blessings to all the Singapore devotees and gratitude to all of you for standing with us and reviving the Life Bliss Foundation. Understand, we will serve Singapore. We will serve Singapore. So when you understand any law, it helps you and it supports you. So, understand the cosmic law, it will liberate you. Understand the country law, it will support you. Understand the political law, it will help you. So, please understand. Now, we thank the Singapore country and Singapore devotees and our heartfelt gratitude for reviving the organization. We will serve Singapore as our gratitude. Continue to radiate the spiritual knowledge and all the spiritual services. Give all the best things to Singapore. And I welcome you all to come to Bidadi for next programs. We have Living Enlightenment program, and we have Himalayas trip, and we have Inner Awakening program. I welcome all devotees to come to Bidadi, and today I declare within next year, next Independence Day, next August 15th, we will have our own temple and ashram in Singapore. So, Murti in Singapore, I have already sent my Murti, Guru Murti to Singapore, that will radiate my presence. I will continue to be there continuously, helping, supporting, enlightening all the devotees, disciples who seek for it. So, I will be with you all, and if you have any questions, one or two questions, you can ask me now live, I will answer. You can call Bhakta through Shiv and put your questions, I will answer. Large support from Singapore is really appreciated. Dhyanapeetham is grateful to all of you. Me and my mission is grateful to all of you. Okay, my blessings to all of you. Soon I will be there in Singapore physically to bless you all and conduct programs. Blessings to all of you. Let you all achieve, experience, express and radiate the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.